Okay, guess what today is? Now, I was supposed to do this Friday. Today is Saturday. I didn't do it because, to be honest with you, I forgot. But there really wasn't that many people, so you got pretty good odds of winning. So the people that did comment the right thing on the video, uh, you have a chance of winning. Some people commented on the video and didn't put the word or the right word in the comment. So I don't know if they want to win or not. You had to put Airmoto in the comment. And a lot of people put it in the full comment. They were supposed to, if you was going to comment, you comment and then you leave a separate comment with just Airmoto, because I wasn't sure if it would pick the word out of a full comment or not. We'll see. Good luck to everybody. So let's get the camera down and get the website pulled up and do the random comment picker and see who wins. Okay, as you can see, I got it pulled up. There, that right there is the link to the video. It's just random comment picker for YouTube. It says there's 10 comments. I went and counted it. I think there's like 11, maybe even 12. So I don't know why it didn't pick them all up. Not sure. Maybe I miscounted. I don't know. But I did this like 3 times and it still keeps coming up with 10 comments. One time I did it, it came up with 0 comments with the keyword in there, because I put 3 different keywords, the same keyword, but lowercase, capital, and all cap, and all that. So that time it came up with 0 comments. So I just put the one word in there 3 different times, with the caps, without the caps, and it still comes up with only 10 comments. So don't know what's going on there. It is what it is, I guess. I can't control that. This is not my website. So right here it says pick a winner. So let's do that. Pick a winner. Look at there. Check that out. That's Layla and that's Arnie. He won one, but guess what? We are gonna, let me write this down. Let me take a minute. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll write that down and come back and we're gonna pick another one. We're gonna go ahead and give both of them away. How about that? I told y'all this was gonna be exciting. So let me write this down and I'll come back. I'll get this reset to pick another one. All right, got it reset. I don't know why it still shows 10, whatever. So let's pick another winner. Oh, come on. Can't be that one. You just won one. What's up with this? Dennis Richardson. Okay, well, there you have it. The Airmoto Smart Pump giveaway. One of these, I took this one out of the package, is going to Arnie. And one of these is going to Dennis, Twisted Mopar Garage. I appreciate the support of the channel and watching the videos and all that good stuff. It means a lot to me. Here's the other one, just in case it's inside here. So it'll come in a USPS bag like this. Maybe it may come in a box. I don't know. It depends on when we get over there which one's cheaper to ship. So I'm pretty sure I have Dennis's address. I don't think I still have Arnie's address. So I need you to message me either on Facebook or Instagram, or if you have my phone number, just text it to me, your address, and I'll get these shipped out to you as soon as I can. Hope you liked it. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.